Hi, I'm Phil Horne, top chef at High Fresh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook some beautiful scampi tails. Now, serving with the scampi tails, we're going to do a nice chili, coriander, lime butter. Okay, so what we're going to need today is I've got half a kilo, 500 grams of scampi tails, with a little bit of white wine for cooking, roughly around 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, red chilli, shallot. You can use onion. Shallot's going to give it a much sweeter flavour though. Lime, fresh coriander out of the garden, and I just have 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced here. Now to start off, we're going to slice our shallots. A little bit of olive oil in the pan, medium to high heat, roughly around 1 teaspoon. Half our butter, and our shallots in. Just a little pinch of salt. Not too much salt now, because obviously we are going to get a lot of saltiness out of the scampi, so we don't want to over season it. After about 1 or 2 minutes, I'm just going to turn the heat up full now, because we're going to get our scampi in a minute, and I just really want to try and get that nice steam effect. We're just going to turn the temperature up medium to high heat now. We're going to get our scampi in for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now when you slice your chili, you can either leave your seeds in or take your seeds out. This really is completely optional, up to you of how hot you'd like to have yours. I like to have a little bit of a kick, so I'm going to leave the seeds in on this case. So finally slice your chilies. In we go. So we're going to get our garlic in there now. 2 cloves. So I've got roughly around about 150 ml of white wine. We're going to put that in, put the lid on, give it about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll finish it after. So that's been cooking for roughly around 2 to 4 minutes now. We're just going to take the lid off, let that reduce down a little bit more, add some butter, coriander and lime, and we're good to go. Wow, look at that. Going to get the last of our butter in, probably around about 2 tablespoons left. Going to emulsify that up. Roughly cut our coriander. We don't need to worry about missing out on any stems here, because there's lots of flavour in those stems anyway, so it's not a problem just to get that in. Okay, so we're going to add our coriander, and we're going to squeeze some lime in there as well. Okay, ready to serve. Amazing. Why not give it a try?